You must first begin by completely programming your Lutron file so that we can then extract the XML report from the Lutron repeater. We open Internet Explorer and we type in the IP address /dbxmlinfo.xml. It is very important that the D, X, and I of dbxmlinfo are capitalized. You can see the XML report that the Lutron repeater gives us, and we save the file name with .xml extension type. We now have a file that we can use in Compass Navigator. We open Compass Navigator and either create a new project or open an existing project that we'd like to add the Lutron file to. We go to the Setup Controller step of the programming ribbon, and in the Lutron system area, we browse to locate the file that we've recently collected from the repeater, and we press Add Lutron System. If you wish to use the Lutron feedback in a custom project as opposed to a modular project, you will deselect the Create Module checkbox.